Well, that's an ominous way to start. What's up, guys? Plant Commander here. Welcome back to more Let's Play Undertale. In the last episode, we got through the castle. The final and my personal favorite area in the game. We defeated Asgore. But we're met by a bit of a surprised, uninvited guest. Let's see what he's done with the place.
Howdy! It's me, Flowey. Flowey the Flower. I owe you a huge thanks. You really did a number on that old fool. Without you, I never could have gotten past him. But now, with your help, he's dead! And I've got the human souls! Boy, I've been empty for so long. It feels great to have a soul inside me again. I can feel them wriggling. Aw, you're feeling left out, aren't ya? Well, that's just perfect. After all, I only have 6 souls. I still need 1 more before I become God. And then, with my newfound powers, monsters, humans, everyone, I'll show them all the real meaning of this world. Oh, and forget about escaping to your old save file. It's gone forever. But don't worry. Your old friend Flowey has worked out a replacement for you. I'll save over your own death. So you can watch me tear you to bloody pieces over and over and over. What? Do you really think you could stop me? You really are an idiot.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet Omega Flowey, the final boss of the neutral route of Undertale. This is insane. What? What is going on anymore? What even is this? This is the most ridiculous part of the entire game, by far. What is even happening at this point? Basically, the way this fight works, it's a lot more action-based than any other fight in the game. Basically, the whole turn system is thrown out the window. There is no acting whatsoever, except here. When you can call for help. I mean, really, what else are you going to do in this situation? All you can really do is dodge Omega Flowey's attacks, also known as Photoshop Flowey, for obvious reasons. I mean, what the hell even is that? Pretty much all you can do in this fight is just dodge to the best of your ability. There is not even a dialogue box. You can just go wherever. Alright, same deal here. Dodging the stuff. I don't know how I did not get hit there. I probably should have, but whatever. Ow. Act. Alright, that healed me a good bit. Basically, you're saving the human souls one by one. Flowey, as you can clearly see at the bottom left corner of the screen, can save the file and then reload save states to kind of screw you, like that, to kind of screw you over. The object here is to save all 6 souls. We're getting through them one by one. We've already saved 2. Let's get the 3rd. Oh god, I didn't even realize where I was. Alright, this is the shoes. Fun fact, this is also based on all the weapons you acquired throughout the game. These are the ballet shoes that we found in Waterfall. Alright, come on. Act. Come on. Alright, let's go on. Come on. Heal as much as I can. Alright, 3 down, 3 to go. God, this is insanity. The boss theme here is also really great. It's equally insane, fitting. I believe it's called Your Worst Nightmare or something like that. Or Your Best Friend. One of the two. One of the two, because Flowey is kind of both. You know, he claims to be one, but he's really the other. Alright. How many more do we got? How many? I think there's 3 left still. Come on. There it is. There's Act. Alright. Come on, let's get the 4th soul on our side. Come on. I love how the words turn to something more inspiring. It's really nice. Oh god, I don't have a lot of health. This could be bad. Oh god, what's he gonna do? Come on, dodge. It is possible to do this without damage, believe it or not. It is possible. It's just ridiculously difficult. Obviously, I'm not capable of doing it. Come on, dodge all the flames. There's the Act button. Got it. Alright, come on, grab as many of these as I can. Come on. Heal me up. Good, I'm almost at full health. Alright, come on, just one more soul. One more. He's shooting his fingers at me. Come on. Stop. I'm hurting him just a tiny bit. Obviously, without the souls, this is gonna be ridiculously difficult. Ow. Come on, dodge the bullets. Oh, there's the Act button. Come on, shoot me. Shoot me more. This song plays during the Phase 2 of Flowey. Yeah, it's not over just yet. This is Phase 2. This song is called Finale. A fitting end. Let's do this. Flowey's defense dropped to 0, so now we can just kind of wail on him. As soon as the fight button appears. Healing items will be periodically dropped to you at this point. It is... I would say it's still difficult. Don't get me wrong. This is still a hard fight. But it is made much easier after this point, because now you have the 6 human souls on our side. Look how much damage we're doing to him. This is getting pretty crazy. Not to mention we're getting healed every once in a while. It's ridiculously helpful. Grab the hope. There we go. Come on, just keep dodging, keep fighting. We can do this. Keep fighting. We're getting there. God, this song is so, it fills you with so much determination. As cliche as that sounds for a game like this, it's fitting, because it really does. It's kind of a running theme here, so that was probably intentional, and it works. Come on, give me that health. He also can't save over your file anymore. Dodge all the nukes. Give me that health, crap, crap, crap. Oh god, this is bad. This is bad. I need health stuff. And I need it desperately. Give me that. Crap. Crap. Come on. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Give me that. Come on. This is getting close. This is getting close. Getting really down to the wire here. Give me that health. Health items. Health items. Spawn, please. Oh, God. Got it. And down he goes.
No! No! This can't be happening! You! You idiot! Did you really think you could defeat me? I am the god of this world. And you're hopeless. Hopeless and alone. Golly, that's right. Your worthless friends can't be saved. They can't save you. I'll call for help. I dare you. Cry into the darkness. Mommy, Daddy, somebody help.
See what good it does you.
Boy, what a shame. Nobody else is gonna get to see you die. What? How did you... Well, I'll just... Where are my powers? The souls? What are they doing? No! No! You can't do that! You're supposed to obey me! Stop! Stop it! Stop!
Now this, when I first played the game, was a pretty difficult decision. Nevertheless, it's one that I made my mind up on pretty quickly.
What are you doing? Do you really think I've learned anything from this? No. Sparing me won't change anything. Killing me is the only way to end this. If you let me live, I'll come back. I'll kill you. I'll kill everyone. I'll kill everyone you love. Huh? Why? Why are you being so nice to me? I can't understand. I can't understand! I just can't understand!
And Flowey ran away. And there you have it. That was Undertale by Toby Fox. That is the end of the neutral route. We're not done yet, though. I said in the beginning that I'd be doing both neutral and pacifist. If you haven't played the game, you'll quickly figure out why. That was just the neutral run. Hey, is anyone there? Well, I'll just leave a message. So, it's been a while. The Queen returned and is ruling over the underground. She's instated a new policy. All the humans who fall here will be treated not as enemies, but as friends. It's probably for the best anyway. The human souls the king gathered seem to have disappeared. So, that plan ain't happening anytime soon. But even though people are heartbroken over the king, and things are looking pretty grim for our freedom, Queen's trying her best not to let us give up hope. So, hey, if we're not giving up down here, don't give up wherever you are, okay? Who knows how long it'll take. But we will get out of here.
Sans, who are you talking to?
Oh, nobody.
What? Nobody? Can I talk to them too?
Here, knock yourself up.
Wait a second. I recognize this number. Hey, human! How are you doing? I'm doing fine. Well, besides one thing. The Queen disbanded the Royal Guard, since we don't have to fight humans anymore. Wow! I had no idea what to do with my life. But that's okay, because I'm still working hard. Even if it's on nothing at all. So don't feel bad. Papyrus is fine. Undyne is the one that's got it bad. She lost her job, and then she lost her house. It was sad, but we're taking care of her. She lives on our couch now. It's like a sleepover every night. A sleepover there's no escape from. Oh, we gave her a job, too. Sans hired her at his illegal hot dog stand. She hates working there, but she makes a mean hot dog. Oh yeah, she still blames you for the disappearance of Asgore. She talks to me a lot about getting revenge on you. She has a ludicrous plan to cross the barrier and beat you up. To be honest, I think it's impossible. But I'd like to believe it's not, because I would want to go with her. Then I'd get to see you again, even if I have to fight you. Well, keep your fingers crossed, and keep in touch. It'll make our plans easier. Bye! Why? Why did you let me go? Don't you realize that being nice just makes you get hurt? Look at yourself. You made all these great friends, but now you'll probably never see them again. Not to mention how much they've been set back by you. Hurts, doesn't it? If you had just gone through without caring about anyone, you wouldn't have to feel bad now. So I don't get it. If you really did everything the right way, why did things still end up like this? Why? Is life really that unfair? Say, what if I told you I knew some way to get you a better ending? You'll have to load your save file and, well, in the meantime, why don't you go see Undyne? It seems like you could have been better friends. Who knows? Maybe she's got the key to your happiness? See you soon.